Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will divide both sides by ds. Next, we have s to the power of 2y, y to the power of 3, s square, s square, sy square, and s to the power of 3. They are degree number 3. So this is about homogeneous. Now I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. First derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over ds multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v, and this is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one gone here. This one we change by this one. Now we need to simplify s to the power of 3 for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one I will put on the right, and later that we divide both sides by v square minus number 2. So I will put about v go to the right, and now we do common denominator. So this one we have v to the power of 3 minus 2v. So negative v to the power of 3, negative v to the power of 3, we have negative number 2. 2v with negative 2v we cancel. Now I will put v to the power of 3 and v square minus number 2 go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So v square divided by v to the power of 3, number 2 divided by v to the power of 3, we have like this. And now we have the final answer. So we simplify negative number 2, and now we have like this. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.